Legends, welcome back. This is the latest edition of the Drip Dispatch. We're down to 3 hours, 3 days and right around 15 hours until launch time. Whew, I am ready. I'm excited. I'm ready to get it on. Okay. Now, yesterday, Forex said the fiat on-ramp is going to be huge because it will allow people to buy our tokens on our site with credit, debit, and this opens a ton of options moving forward, including the ability for people to set up a kiosk in their establishment, which means if you own a business, whatever the business is, and you want to set up a kiosk, ATM machine, call it whatever you want to call it, you're in business. The Shell gas station across the street from me has one. I know our mall has the Bitcoin ATM. Folks, the on-ramp is here, is coming. This is what we get today. We have secured the fiat on-ramp for Drip. Boom. You see, whew, okay, let me stay. So essentially, you get to use your credit card, debit card, whatever you choose, and go straight to the drip.community and purchase your Drip tokens. No more having to go the long way around and go out to crypto.com or whatever exchange you use, purchase the BNB, send it to your MetaMask or Robbie wallet, then send it over to, then go to the fountain and then purchase your Drip. No, not anymore. Now you can just go straight to the website, punch in your credit card information, select the amount of Drip tokens you want to purchase them, and drop them right into your wallet. Boom. This is going to be big. I think this is probably the biggest game changer, even over Scratchy. But this is me talking. This is my opinion. Like I said, I'm Drip. I am team Drip, period. Now, so if you want my ratio, I'm like 90% Drip, 10% Animal Farm. I like the fact I don't have to do anything but push a button every day. I don't have to worry about no damn game theory. I don't have to worry about decay in the faucet or nothing like that. I'm team Drip. Now, granted, I'm that way because the Drip has been around the longest and I've been with Drip since day one. I don't know, maybe it'll change over time, but as of today, I am still going to be team Drip. It's so simple and it works. I mean, I don't know, maybe at my old age, I just, you get comfortable, but I'm not going to sit here and say I'm not going to invest in the Animal Farm. You guys, all you legends know, I've been stacking and waiting just like you. I got my dogs already. I got my pigs in the pig pen, and I'm ready to get engaged in the farm. Anyhow, let's continue. So there's 2 shout outs that I want to make. Well, 3, of course, that I want to make. Number 1 goes to Drip Network DeFi Nightly. He's a new YouTuber for the community. What he essentially does is he produces a nighttime newsletter or news video of the latest happenings in Drip. Because, Forex is out there and there's people all over the world. So I guess, no matter what time it is, you can tune into him and find out the latest and greatest information. Now, like I said, we are a community. I'm going to support my fellow drippers, like the ladies of the faucet. Even some of my lady legends are parts of the ladies of the faucet. And same thing with Drip Network, DeFi Nightly. Welcome to the community. Legends, please welcome him in as a fellow legend. And please go out, subscribe, check out his videos. Next, I want to give a shout out to my boy Crypto Fergie. He's over there in England. Yes, he's a fellow legend as well. Me and him chat back and forth in our videos and all kind of stuff like that. But I want to give him a special shout out. Same thing with Fergie. Give him the love. He does great videos. And like I say, this is what you can see. This is why Drip community is so different. We have love for each other. And we have legends in Australia, Trinidad, Jamaica, Africa, England, besides for the United States. And all the legends, the League of Legends, are all great. But I just wanted to send a special shout out to these 2. And of course, I want to always send a shout out to my legends, my list of legends, or the League of Legends. And thank you for all that you guys do, for all the comments, all the love, all the support, the great feedback, and the sharing of the videos. Just thank you for being a legend, because you will always be the reason I do what I do. Bam! Now, as you know, my legends know, Costa Rica is dear to my heart. My youngest son was born there in 2009, and we lived there as well. As a matter of fact, our son he has his dual citizenship and everything. So having Costa Rica propose this, and then my wife being from Puerto Rico, which already has I can't remember the tax exclusion program that they have there in Puerto Rico. It's just making life even better. Our only decision is where to go. Now, like all my wife's family, everybody is there in Puerto Rico. She had a cousin here in Houston and one cousin in Arizona. All of her rest of her family, mom, dad, brother, sister, everybody else is in Puerto Rico. So this is great. Crypto is taking over the world, and this goes right in there with the fire MP legends. This is what I'm talking about. You keep an eye on the location that you want, because it's the time frame that you have. If it's 2 to 3, 5 years, whatever out, pick a couple of locations and then watch what they're going to do with the crypto. Because if you can go somewhere, get your crypto and don't have to worry about the tax, that's just gravy on top of the mashed potatoes. Oh yeah. And why my team drip? Because it's been going on for 560 days. That consistent 1% per day. Like I said, when I wake up in the morning, look over my wallet. Yep, I got 85 drip sitting in there. Bam. That's it. Like I said, I don't have to worry about the game theory. Oh man, I got to hydrate. Oh no, if I don't hydrate, no. Tomorrow morning when I wake up again, it's going to be 85 drip in there. And the next day, 85 drip in there. That's why I'm team drip. But like I said, I am definitely 100% going to invest in the animal farm. I'm not that team drip that I'm not going to take advantage of the opportunity that we have before us. No, that ain't going to happen. Legends, you already know the MPs are out there. Use the weekend, get to it. That's the fire series right here to the left in blue. And that's the ones I was just referring to if you're talking about relocating once you've reached your fire point, which is financial intelligence or financial independence, and retire early. I hope that's one of your goals, is to retire early and spend the rest of your time here with your family and your friends and enjoying life. The MP here to the right next to the bull that's Larry the Bull, or Billy the Bull. I got to make him a name. Anyhow, if somebody's brand new to the animal farm, this is the perfect MP for them to watch. It shows them the advantages of being a part of the animal farm. And of course, if somebody's going to be brand new to drip, that's going to be on your team, they need to watch the Y drip MPs. I think it's 3 of them. And they will 100% understand how drip works, all the tokenomics, the sustainability of drip, the taxes, everything. Anyhow, so as always, legends, this is for informational, educational purposes only. Never intended as any type of financial advice, because I am not a financial advisor. I'm just here sharing some information with you. Always remember the 3. Number 1, crypto is individual endeavor. When you start creating your COPs and your strategies and your goal, it's 100% on you. It's your individual decision, because it's going to be based on you, your family, and your family's finances. Number 2, we have the best community. We have the best development department in all of crypto, hands down. And yes, it's been 560 days, but hot damn, we just getting started. I am ready. Whew. Tuesday can't get here quick enough. I hope this weekend flies by so we can get to Tuesday. And of course, number 3, increase your knowledge, reduce your risk. The MP series is just one of the many series that I have. I have the What If series. I have the What's Next series. It's information that you can use to help you make a well-educated decision and to help you navigate. You shouldn't be doing any investment and not knowing exactly what you're doing, or how to get in, how to get out, how to navigate. Anyhow, so please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Legends, keep doing what you're doing, and I will continue to do what I'm doing for you. With all the love, salute, take a bow to all my legends out there. Engage.